What's up, everybody? I'm Mischief, and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to talk about my first aid and repair kit and my toiletry bag for my Appalachian Trail through hike starting April 4th at Harper's Ferry, No-Boat. So yeah, let's get on into it. Thanks for sticking around, and I'm going to bring y'all over here to the table. We'll check out what's in these two bags. Alright, first up we're going to go over my first aid kit. I have it in a light AF little zip bag, and inside I got all kinds of stuff. Got my little medicine bag. This has ibuprofen, IBPM, some Benadryl, and a couple of Imodium in there. I have a sewing kit from Z-Packs. KT tape. I have to tape up my feet, which y'all will see how I have to do all that in a video coming soon. I have a little bit of a gauze roll for the same thing. I have two earplugs. Gerber LTS ultralight knife. It's all you need out there. You don't need nothing elaborate. Have a little dropper bottle of Dr. Bronner's soap. That stuff is awesome. It only takes like one little drop to wash your hands and everything. Carry an extra Sawyer O-ring. Little hex wrench for my Peak Designs capture clip and for my clamp I have on my tripod. And inside this bag I have a Thermarest patch kit, some tenacious tape, some DCF tape, and some seal nylon tape. Right, and that's everything in that bag. Next, we're going to go over what's in this. This is in a Hilltop Packs dual gadget bag, and I just keep my toiletries in it. And we have thing of hand sanitizer, my toilet paper, and I just keep that in a Ziploc bag too, just for a little bit extra protection. And I have the Deuce of Spades number 2 trowel, and that's the only things I keep in this. And go ahead and show this too. For a wallet, I just use the light AF hiker wallet. One thing I keep in here is my cards for PayPal, Venmo, my debit card, my ID, and my insurance card, and then whatever cash I carry. Alright, so that's everything I'm carrying for first aid, repair, and toiletry wise. And my wallet, I just figured I'd go ahead and throw that in there with the other little bags. But yeah, I don't really carry more than I have to. But one thing that I didn't include in that, I will be carrying a mask for when I'm in town, and that will stay inside that little first aid bag too, or in my wallet one. More than likely my wallet, because that's when I'll need it, is whenever I go into a town, into a store. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, even though it was a short one. There wasn't really a whole lot there to actually go on and talk about and explain. But yeah, please consider liking, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope you well had a great day. Have an even better night. And I will talk to y'all on the next one.